Panic in Oyo State as Fulani and Yoruba crash in Iganna town. Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde visited the site in Iganna, Okeogun, Axis of the state that residents of the state must learn how to coexist peacefully. The governor, who stated this when he visited Iganna town to see how the situation of the crash was between the Fulani and Yoruba members of the community, said that the administration would not allow anyone to take laws into their hands, that the Fulani and Yoruba must live together in a peaceful way. Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde appealed to the residents of Iganna to embrace peace and stop cycle of violence. He said whether the people here in Iganna are Fulani or Yoruba, what has happened here is a needless waste of life and property. No explanation can justify what has happened. We must learn how to live peacefully together and stop the violence. I can assure you that we will get to the bottom of this matter and justice will be served. We will also bring palliative and rebuild houses for the Fulanis. We will ensure government presence in the neighborhood.
Coming all the way here has also shown to me that there must be more government presence, in neighborhoods like this, and we will ensure that a few government amenities are brought into this neighborhood so that they can be properly integrated into the Iganna community.
In his response, the Sabi Governor of Iganna, Oba Aziz Oyemola, commended Seyi Makinde and the security agency for their quick response, saying that the resident was unfortunate. He therefore called on the residents of Iganna to make room for peace and relations within foreigners in the town. A spokesman for the Fulani community, Sheriki Mohammed Yusuf, who is the leader of the Sheriki Fulani youth in Oyo State, said that the community was peace-loving and law-abiding, adding that the crisis was not needed. He said the Yorubas and the Fulani will learn and love to live together in peace.
Lọ sí òkè Ìsẹ́yìn àti ṣe Ìsẹ́yìn s'Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ àti ṣe Ìsẹ́yìn sí Ọ̀yọ́, and people from here they can do business. Tó fi lọ sí Axis yẹn à ń ṣe Ìgànnà bí lọ sí Ìgàngàn lọ sí Ìgbọ́ra àti ṣe Ìgbọ́ra Ìrúwà wá sí Ìdó, Ìbàdàn wá sí Ìrúwà pé immediately Ìgànnà will be in the center of economic activities.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.